This is the final video to fix Adobe Creative Cloud Error 501 installation failed. If you're trying to install or update Adobe Creative Cloud and see Error 501, it usually means the installation process was blocked or interrupted. This can happen due to corrupted installation files, leftover components from previous installations, or conflicts with system permissions. In this video, I will show you every possible way to fix this problem. You will learn how to completely remove old Adobe files, reset Creative Cloud installers, check system permissions, and troubleshoot common errors that prevent installation. I will also cover solutions for both Windows and Mac users, so that no matter what system you use, you can get Creative Cloud running without errors. Follow each step carefully, and by the end of this video, Adobe Creative Cloud will install successfully, and you'll be able to access all your apps without interruption. Make sure you watch till the end so you don't miss any important fixes that actually work.